Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a load of jeans from MissGuided. Now I've never tried jeans from MissGuided and I've never tried their non-stretchy mum jeans, but I was just roaming online as you do, and I've got to say they looked like a really nice fit on the models, so I thought I'd give them a go. So I've got I think 8 pairs of jeans to show you guys, but one pair isn't mum jeans, they're just wax coated kind of leather look jeans just because they're my go-to, so I thought I would give them a try from here. So I've just taken them all out the bag and I just thought I would mention, look, some of them are rolled so perfectly into these kind of like burrito shaped bags, and then others are like just flat. I just found it quite funny the different ways they've wrapped them. But as you can see, there are some quirky colours. So this is the only like crazy colour pair I got, but I'm really excited to see how they fit. The rest I thought I would keep it simple and go for like blues, blacks and greys, just because they are the most versatile and the most wearable. So yeah, I'm just gonna start at the top and let's get to it. I thought I would start with the wacky pair. So these are in the sale currently, so I'll link them down below, and I think they're £15. And I had to get them in the size 10, which isn't normally my size, but I've never actually tried MissGuided jeans, so I thought they might fit, they might not, because they were out size 8. But let's just have a look. So these are high-waisted mum jeans with a raw hem. That's what it said anyway. And I love the colour of them. And looking at the waist, it doesn't actually seem that humongous. Like, with a nice belt, I think they'll work fine. Obviously, I might be jinxing it right now. We'll have to see what they look like when they're on. But they're just a really nice sort of sturdy denim, nice and thick. Obviously no stretch, so I'm intrigued to see how they fit on a slightly curvier figure. But no, I mean, they look like they have potential. They're not a bad length, or like the waist or the hips look like they're gonna fit. So we'll give them a go. So I'm just gonna throw these ones on and we'll see how they fit. But this is how they fit, and I absolutely love the colour of them, and to be honest the fit isn't half bad considering they're a 10. The waist, they pretty much fit perfectly I'd say, but I can't help but every time I look in the mirror I feel like I've just escaped prison, and I know that's bad because they are just orange, but there's just something about like the mum jean fit and this colour that just draws my attention to it. But I've got to say I do actually really like them. There's something really funky about them. And I think with, you know, a nice pair of like wedges or heels and a cute little crop top, they work. They're kind of like a really funky outfit choice. So I do like them, and I haven't fully made up my mind yet, so do let me know in the comments what you think, but I just love the colour of them. Like, they're just so funky. They're definitely one of the coolest pairs of mum jeans, you know, I've tried on in my lifetime, and the length of them is great. Like, they do fit really nice, and the waist is nice as well. Like, they're really comfy mum jeans, and I think they're quite flattering as well. Like, I don't feel swamped in them, even though they are meant to be that sort of like loose fit. So no, I don't mind these, but I'm not like instantly sold, if that makes sense. So I'll give them a chance, but I'll go try on the rest and we can see what we think. But the next pair of jeans I'm going to show you guys is also wrapped like a burrito, and these are the Riot high-waisted plain mum jeans in light blue. So these are currently in the sale for £15 as well, but I did manage to get these in a size 8, so do check down below rather quickly if you want either this one or the orange pair, just because they are in the sale. So if you want a specific size, you might want to get in there quite quick. But this is what they look like. So they're just like a nice sort of proper looking pair of denim mum jeans. And I think these can look really sweet with like little crop tops. I'm not going to judge them too much off of a body, because with mum jeans you just never know. Like, the bum on these looks huge, but it might end up being too small. You just never know with mum jeans. But they're kind of like a straight cut, again raw hem. Yeah, might be quite cute. So I'm just going to throw these on and we'll see what they look like. But this is how they fit, and they're not a terrible fit, but they're a bit big round the waist for an 8. I would have wanted this bit here to just be a little bit tighter, but with a belt you can make them work because they do fit my legs and hips quite nicely. They're not a bad fit, I just would want the waist a little bit tighter, but overall they're, you know, a lovely pair of mum jeans I think, because I would probably wear my mum jeans with a belt anyway. And I think with a belt these are just a really nice option. I just love how, you know, they're just a really nice easy pair of denim mum jeans. Like, there's no rips going on, there's nothing too busy, they're just light denim blue. They're just quite easy I think. Yeah, and the length is quite nice to them as well, and if you don't like the raw hem you can fold them up a little bit, or if they're a bit long for you, again you can roll them up. They're kind of my perfect leg length, which is quite nice. So no, I like these. I would need a belt with them to like rock them, I think, because they are just a little bit baggy around the waist, but I don't mind the fit and I don't mind the way they look actually. I like these ones. They're not bad, but yeah, let me know what you think, but I think they're kind of cute. So I like these ones. The last of the burrito wrap jeans is this pair. Now I believe these are the darker blue versions of the ones you just saw, but these ones are currently £30, so not in the sale, but they're the ripped ones, I remember now. So just take a little tissue paper. So these have this sort of rip design, but because they're mum jeans, I think it can look quite stylish having the sort of rips in it. It's not necessarily my style, but I do like how it looks on other people, so I thought I would give it a go. So it's just got all these rips down the front here, and then it's kind of faded a bit on the back. So I'm just going to throw these on to see what they look like, because they're either going to sit right or they're not, but you know, the waist looks nice. These are a size 8, so I was thinking with like a white crop top and a belt, they might look really sort of stylish. But yeah, I'll put them on and we can see what they fit like. This is how they fit, and I'm actually really impressed with the fit of these. Like, the waist is literally bang on. They're pretty perfect, especially for non-stretchy jeans. Now, ripped jeans aren't really my thing, but if you want a nice fitting pair, like, these are definitely it. These are lovely to wear. I can actually move in them, which is, you know, for solid denim jeans, that's pretty good, I think. The only thing I would say is I'm not a fan of these faded patches on the bum here. I think I'd much prefer it not to have those, but I guess that just is kind of the fashion with the rips and the fades. I just think it's a bit busy, but I do think they are stylish. Like, they're definitely workable. I can see people wearing them, but they are a lovely fit. I am surprised by the fit. Like, the waist is literally bang on. I'm surprised. They fit me very nice, so I am impressed by that, but I'm just not sure on the style. But if it's your thing, these fit lovely, and the length of them, absolutely fine. So I'm 5'5", if that helps, and these fit my legs perfectly. But again, if you're a little bit shorter, just roll them up, or if you're taller, you can just rock them around the shins. But no, I do like these. They're just not my style, I don't think, but this is what they look like. The next pair I got they're kind of unusual. They're mum jeans, but they're also like a jogger fit, so they have elastic around the ankle. I'll show you, that might not have made sense. But they're this sort of grey colour. So they're that mum jean denim, like nice and stiff, sort of loose fit. And then they have elasticated ankles. And I just thought they kind of looked quite funky on the model. And I was like, give them a go. So I got these in a size 10, again, because they were lacking some of the sizes. So if you really like these, check down below quite quickly, because I think they're quite popular. But a size 10 doesn't look vastly bigger than an 8. I might be mistaken here. We'll see what they look like on. But with a nice belt, I think they'll rock. But yeah, it's just kind of I've never seen elasticated base to jeans before, so we'll see what they look like. Obviously, they're not as stretchy as joggers. They're not stretchy at all, so they might not be comfortable, but I was open to trying them. So I think these ones are £28 currently, so not breaking the bank if they're really cute, so I'm going to throw them on. This is how they fit, and I've got to say, I think a 10 is just a little bit too big. I definitely would want a size 8 in these in order to rock them. But to be honest, I'm not actually sure on the sort of jogger style. So you can see they've got like the elasticated bottoms. It might be my stripy socks. They might just need like trainers or something like that. But I don't know, I'm not feeling them. Like, I'd rather wear proper jeans or joggers. I don't think I like the combo together. It's just, I think the style of jeans these are, it's kind of like a grungy style. It's just not, it's not my thing. But maybe in a size 8, I'd feel different about them, because they just would fit a bit better. You can see they're just all around a little bit baggy, but there's something different, which is why I wanted to try them, but they haven't quite clicked, I don't think. But I mean, they're not a terrible fit, and I can move in them, and I think a size down, I'd still be able to move in. They would just obviously stay up a bit better. Yeah, I'm not sure, I'm not sold on these ones, so it's a no from me, but they're cute, they have potential, but these ones aren't it. So the next pair I got is kind of like a acid wash looking jean. So these are currently £17.50, and I managed to get these in a size 8. So let's just have a look. And again, they're high-waisted, the typical mum jeans fit. But I was, you know, kind of really impressed with how the mum jeans were looking on the models. So I was like, we're gonna try them all. So this is what they look like. They look like they've got plenty of space for us curvy ladies, and the waist doesn't look huge. So I'm intrigued to see what these fit like. Again, they've got a raw hem. They don't have any rips in them, so these are like just nice solid jeans. Yeah, I will throw these ones on and we can see what they look like. This is how they fit, and I'm not sure on them, to be honest. The waist is quite a bit bigger than I would like, especially for a size 8. You know, I think there's about 3 inches that could be taken out of that. They don't fit bad on my hips or bum, but they're just not like a va-va-voom fit, if that makes sense. And the dye's sort of folded here a little bit, so it's a lot darker just here, which I know is obviously, it might just be this pair, but I'm just not sold on them. Lengthwise though, they're a really nice length, and I do like the sort of washed out denim colour on the rest of the jeans. I'm just not sold on the fit. And I think a size 6 might be too tight on my hips. And yeah, I would just hope a size 8 would be a little bit tighter, but I mean, they're not terrible. With a nice belt, or if you pay to get them tailored, they would be workable, but as they are currently, I'm not sold, I don't think. But lengthwise and fit, like leg fit wise, they're not bad. It's just sort of around the waist that fails on these ones. They've got a bad case of the bucket back, so I think I'll leave these ones. But they are cute, and I like this sort of colour denim, but just not this pair. So this is what they look like. The final pair of mum jeans I got is this pair. So these are kind of like this grey wash high-waisted mum jeans. So these are actually quite unusual. They've got like a double button design going on at the top, which is what drew me to them. So if you look, it kind of looks like 2 waistbands, and I just thought it was quite funky. And now the waist on these looks a lot smaller than the other ones, so these might be more high-rise or just a tighter fit. So I got them in a size 8, and I think these are currently retailing at £22. So again, not super expensive, and I really like this sort of washed out grey denim. I think that's really cute, and the length of them looks good as well. So no, I like the look of these ones, so I'm excited to see what they fit like. So I'm just going to throw these ones on and we can see what they look like. So this is how they fit, and I've got to say the waist is lovely. They fit really tight to my waist. They're not like baggy at all. Only thing I would say is they are higher waist than the other ones. So the first sort of band I think would be where high waist would normally sit, and then they're about another inch over it with the double band. So my belly button is there, and then they sit about there. So they are high waist, but with a nice crop top, you know, it can look quite cute because they're accentuating that you've got a waist. And then the sort of leg of the jeans is a little bit baggier. So it can work if styled right, but they are probably more of a slim leg than a straight cut like the other ones, but they are quite cute. I do like them, and I do like the sort of washed out look, and they fit beautifully on my legs, and there's no like bucket back going on. They just fit. So if this is your style and you've got a similar physique to mine, these will look really nice on you. I'm not sure if they are my cup of tea, but I'm really impressed with the fit of them. I've got to say, they, you know, fit my waist and my bum lovely, and they're not, you know, baggy anywhere. They're not like gaping open, or I don't have like a bucket back. So I am impressed with that, and for the price, I think they're a lovely mum jean option. So no, I really like them. Length of them, they're a tiny bit long for me, but we're talking only a fraction. I could probably just fold that up, and I can move in them. Like, there is no stretch in these jeans, but I can literally squat in them, and they're comfy, so they're not going to cut off your blood supply when you're sat down like some mum jeans. No, I really like these, and to be honest, they're growing on me. Let me know what you think, but I kind of like them. They're a little bit different having this like double band at the top, so I'll be intrigued to hear your thoughts, but that's this pair. So the final thing I got is the coated jeans. So these are like the high-waisted leather look jeans, and I live in leather look jeans. They're just my go-to thing from every shop. So I was intrigued to see how MissGuided ones fits. And these are funky. I didn't actually realise, but these aren't, it's not like solid leather look on it. It's kind of like got a cracked design going on. Kind of funky. It's got like a texturized look to it. So they look a lot more shiny than my other leather look jeans. My other ones are a bit more matte, I think, that I get elsewhere. But I mean, they look nice. The waist looks a little bit big on these, especially because they don't have any belt buckle loops, and that drives me nuts when jeans or jeggings don't have somewhere I can wear a belt with them, because, you know, if I wear them for like 6 months, they do start to stretch the waist a little bit, so then being able to wear a belt with them, it just elongates their life a little bit. But by not having the belt buckle loops, I can't do that, so I just feel like they're kind of a short-lived item. But we'll see what they look like. They are £19.60, I think, at the moment, which is a bit of it's a very specific price, but I think they were having a sale when I shopped, so it's probably like 20% off or something like that. But, I mean, they look very nice. Let's see how stretchy they are. I mean, they're lovely and stretchy. They just look a little bit on the big side for an 8, especially in a stretchy pair of jeans, but I'm gonna see what they look like on, and then we can go from there. But I mean, I like the cracked look. It's unusual. It's something I've not tried before, so I'm intrigued. So I'll go throw these on and we can see what they look like. This is how they fit, and it was just like I predicted. The waist is huge on them. Like, for a size 8, this is, you know, quite a drastic difference to some of their other size 8s, so I think they have a bit of sizing inconsistency here, and especially for a pair of like I would call these kind of like jegging jeans, where they're nice and stretchy, you know, they don't have any belt buckle loops, so you want them to be nice and tight to your waist, but these are definitely not that. So yeah, there's just nothing I could really do to make these fit, 'cause there's nowhere to wear a belt with them. Like, they're not the one. But I do like the sort of texture on them. I like how the cracked leather kind of looks. It's kind of like unusual, I think, anyway. But yeah, the fit is just not right for me anyway. They might be right for someone else, but yeah, I just can't work them. And I think even a size 6 might be too big, because that is, you know, a significantly amount too big for my waist. Like, there's a good few inches there. Like, they just, quite simply, these don't fit. So yeah, shame about that, but that's these ones. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of all the jeans. I've got to say, I've never really been one for mum jeans, but there was just something about MissGuided ones that I wanted to try. So I do hope you found this video useful. They will all be linked down below so you can check them out, along with all my social media. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.